Hello everyone, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be Will You End Up Together? So this topic I have posted in the community section and many of you have voted for this. That is the reason I'm doing this reading today. Will you end up together? So you have specific someone in your life and you want to know whether you and the other person will be together or not. Okay, that is your question. So whoever is having that kind of question in your mind, then you can definitely watch this reading. I will see what answer we will get. Along with that, whatever messages I get from the spirits and universe, I will definitely deliver to you. Okay, then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me to do the readings regularly. Okay, that's all. Then please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with everybody, so please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. And as usual, we have three piles here. Pile number one, this green seashell. Pile two, white seashell. Pile 3, this purple seashell. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, then you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose accordingly. Then that's all. Yeah, nothing else to say. If you like my readings, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Okay, let us start the reading with pile number 1. Whoever chose this green seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see, will you and your person end up together or not? Okay, let me start. Will you end up together? Will you end up together? Will you and your person end up together? Will you and your person end up together? Whoever is there in your life, specific someone you are thinking about, or your crush, boyfriend, girlfriend, lover. So you are asking spirits in the universe, will you end up together? So let us see what answer we get. Strength. Let me pull some more cards. Will you end up together? Will you and your person end up together? Will you end up together? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will you end up together? Ten of Swords. Knight of Pentacles, Two of Cups, and bottom of the deck we have the World. Let me pull some more cards so that we can get more and more messages, clear messages from the universe. Will you end up together? Will you end up together? Astrologer, Prince of Suns, Temperance, all major arcanas actually, and we have Five of Swords, bottom of the deck. Okay, so first let me tell you the signs. What signs I can see? I can see very prominently Leo, I can see, then Sagittarius, I can see, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Aquarius, Leo and Scorpio, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and also I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, these are all the signs I can see in this spread or this reading. Okay, so let us come to the question, will you end up together? Okay, so it is kind of a maybe answer. It is in your hands. Okay, if you can wait for this person so long, because it won't happen so easily. You need lot of strength for that. You need a lot of courage to wait for this person, or you have to overcome lot of obstacles in this connection. Okay, it is not so easy. And maybe your parents are not agreeing, or their parents are not agreeing, or some caste issue might be there, or some status issue might be there. So it is very difficult connection. I can say very complicated, because the first card itself, we got nine of swords. Okay, nine of swords means lot of once you entered in this connection, I can see that not even one single day you slept nicely, because you have lot of anxiety, trust issues, negative thinking, so lot of things. This is kind of a, like, you both are mirroring the negative aspects in your life. Suppose this person is aggravating your faults, or they are showing you like a mirror that what you don't have. So suppose if you are not good looking or something, I'm not saying that you are like that, but for example I'm saying, see, suppose everybody is beautiful, everybody is good looking. Maybe you have some complex of, oh, my skin is dark, oh, I don't have long hair, something like that. Something you have that you feel it is not beautiful. Okay, then this person might be asking some questions which makes you feel that you are very low in front of them. I'm not saying that this person has any uh, negativity towards you, but the other person, they never said anything straightforward that they love you or they like you. So they are trying to say that, okay, you have all these faults, but still I am accepting you. That kind of a thing, like, which is hurting your self confidence. Okay, many of you, I feel this. So that is the reason, maybe you are crying at night, you are not able to sleep properly, you are again and again thinking whatever they said, whatever they have done to you, or some of you, maybe you are not well also, you have some health issues also, or you are waking up at night. You can see in this card clearly. Okay, so many swords are poking at your back, like it is very very painful situation, and you are hiding your face and you are crying. That means something is there in you which you are not confident about, that is coming out, and which is making you feel guilty, making you feel low. Okay, making you feel less. And this person will come towards you, but they will come very very slowly, because the Knight of Pentacles. So you both think that you are soulmates and you are made for each other. All the love is there, but the problem is you both are different characters. So you don't have this kind of very identical things, or likely, we say, no, like attracts like. So that kind of no, not matching at all. You are one side and the other person is the other side. You both are very very different, I can say. Different in status, different in style, different in everything, financial status. Okay, so this person is offering you a stable offer. They will come to you. Knight of Pentacles is there, they will take action, they will come to you. But before that, you have to go through lot of pain. So maybe the other person is very spiritual, or very matured person, so they are trying to tell you who you are. So they are indirectly telling you that you should know yourself, you have to accept the way you are. Okay, so I think this is a more kind of in-depth it is becoming. So okay, I'll go little faster then. Okay, so maybe you both are like partners, business partners, or colleagues working in the same project. Okay, I feel like you both are almost like same age group, or little bit here and there, maybe 1 or 2 years elder or younger, like that. So you both feel equal to each other. Okay, that is the reason there is there the question comes, how much you are earning, how much I am earning. So like that, there is no inequality. So they see you as equal, you see them as you're equal. Okay. As I told you already, you both are like soulmates, and lot of love is there. There is lot of love, no doubt about it. And also I can see this is a long distance relationship with the world card. Okay, as you know, world card means it is a long distance relationship, and they have lot of attraction towards you. They are very much attracted towards you, and they want to be with you. Okay, they desire to be with you, and they want to offer their love to you, like their world to you. So what they are feeling is how much they are enjoying their life. They want to show you, they want to enjoy with you, they want to make you a part of their life. Okay. Then we can have the astrologer also. So as I told already, this person is very very intellectual person, and they have lot of knowledge, a lot of spirituality. At the same time, they are very matured, and for some of you, this person is already married or divorced. Okay, already in the marriage, or they might be a divorced person, but they are very rich, very wealthy, lot of money is there, lot of finance is there. They are very good, successful in their career right now. Okay. So that is the reason you feel yourself little less than them, or something like that. Some insecurity is there here, inferiority complex is there here. Then they have a lot of passion towards you, and they want to come towards you. They are determined to come towards you, but they are waiting for the right time. Actually, they are feeling that this is not the right time. Maybe they are going through something in their life which they have to complete. The world also means that it is a completion. So they might need to complete something and come back to you. Or this so many of you, I feel that there is no communication between you. There is some kind of a fight between you, because I can see Five of Swords is there. This is kind of a fight, defensive energy. So once they complete this fight, or they want to heal from the past, so once they do that, then they will come to you, but it will take lot of time. That is why I said it may be, because it will not happen so easily, because Knight of Pentacles also, it's very very slow moving energy. So they will be one step they will take forward, then 100 steps they will go back. That is kind of an energy I can feel here. And this person is also not very easygoing. Okay, they will think a lot before taking any decision. They will take their own sweet time to think, and they need more information for anything, for about a person, for about a situation. They need all the information. If you observe, if you are talking to them, they might be asking more questions about you and less about them. Okay, they won't tell about them more, but they will be asking you more. They will be gathering the information, and they will be expressing very less. Okay, because they need some time, they need to analyze, they need to do lot of research about a person or about a situation. Okay, so they also feel like they need the balance in this connection, because there is no balance in this connection. As I told you already, this person might have not expressed their feelings. For many of you, I can see 80% to 90% of people, this person have not confessed their love. For many of you, this person might be your crush also, your friend also, your colleague also, and you are expecting, you can see that okay, they are acting like that, they are showing their interest, they are showing their attraction towards you, but they are not able to express their feelings, or they did not propose you. Okay, so now they feel that there is a balance required in this connection, or you both feel that there should be a balance in this connection, because one person is giving more, one person is giving less. So that is the reason it needs more balance. Then only you can be together, you can end up together. So first you have to resolve your conflicts with the Five of Swords is there. So first of all, you have to resolve all your fights, then only you will end up together. But it will take very long time. If you have that much patience, then you can wait for this person. Okay, that's all I am getting the messages. I'm not getting any other messages for pile 1. But I can see end of the bottom of the deck we have this Justice card also. So as I told, they need to complete something. They need, maybe they are going through some legal battle or divorce. So justice can act as both matters, like it can be a marriage card also, and it can be a divorce card also. So please take it however it resonates. Maybe they are going through a divorce, then after it finalizes, after everything is done, once they complete the cycle with the other person, they will come to you. For many of you, for the other people, so you will be end up together, but with a lot of complications you will end up together. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you are happy with the reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this white seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see if you will be together. Okay, will you be together with your person? Will you be together? Please, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will you be together? Will you be together? Okay, the Tower. Let me pull some more cards. 8 of Wands, Ace of Wands, the Moon, and bottom of the deck we have the 7 of Swords. Let me pull some more cards. Will you end up together with this person? Will you end up together? Will you end up together? Let us see, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Lady, Initiate, Nine of Suns, and bottom of the deck we have the Cardinal. Okay. First, let me tell you the signs, what I can see here. I can see Aries very prominent here. Then I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces here. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very few of you will have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, these are all the signs I can see here. So coming to the reading, will you end up together? So I feel that already things have ended in this connection because the Tower card is there. So something has ended unexpectedly in this connection or relationship. Okay, so which you didn't expect. Something happened in between, maybe a fight or some misunderstanding, and things ended abruptly without even giving it time to do anything. There was no chance to do anything in this. Okay, something ended very unexpectedly. But I can see there will be a communication with this person. You will be sorting out. You will be sitting discussing about whatever happened between you in the past. So you will be discussing about all these things. So what I can see is, for some of you it is already ended, but again the communication will happen unexpectedly, because the Tower is also, it is very like uncertain, unexpected thing, which is not pleasant. Okay, which is not will not give happiness to you. Okay, the conversation will happen also, which will be not a very pleasant conversation or communication. Okay, because 8 of Wands, definitely there will be communication with this person. If you are not talking to this person, if you are not in communication. So what happened was, maybe with the 7 of Swords I can see, maybe many of you have trust issues in this connection. Maybe you thought this person is a flirt, they're having too many connections, because you can see the 7 of Swords card. the person is having so many swords in their hand, but still they are looking back at the remaining swords also. So that means they are kind of a cheat or a thief. This is not a very positive energy. So maybe because of that you have separated, you both have separated or ended the connection, or broke up with this person. But definitely I can see there will be communication which you might like or might not like. So the communication might be very unexpected. Suddenly it will happen one fine day, with out of nowhere this person will contact you. Then it will, the passionate connection might start if you are willing to do, because this person is very very passionate towards you, they are attracted towards you, and they want to have this physical intimacy with you if you already you had with this person. So they are looking forward for that. Okay, and they want to have a very passionate new beginning with you in this connection. But there is a problem with their mother or mother figure, because the moon card is there. So there are a lot of secrets hidden which you don't know. So you want the answers from the person. Okay, so whatever is happened in the past, you are expecting the answers or responsible uh, answers from the other person. Okay, so maybe they are having some other issues, mother or mother figure, they are not accepting this connection. Maybe sister, mother or grandmother, whoever it is. Okay, they might be not accepting this connection, they are not agreeing for this marriage or connection. So definitely that is the reason there is a delay in this connection. And I can also see some of you, they might, you might be pregnant, or already you are wife and husband and you got separated and you are asking for the person, because I can see the lady, pregnant lady I can see. And maybe you have children already with this person. That is why I'm saying maybe you both are wife and husband and watching this reading for your spouse. Okay, but definitely initiate, meaning they definitely will initiate the communication with you. Maybe they will contact you. I can see some group of people here, maybe some kind of elderly people. They will send the messages through them. If not, they are contacting directly, but I can see direct communication only, because 8 of Wands is there. Direct passionate communication I can see from this person. So definitely they might initiate the communication, or for some of you they might initiate the engagement or something like that. Some starting, they might take this connection to the next level. Okay, that initiate cards means it is kind of an engagement also. Or if you are gathering together your family, their family, then pope or priest will be there, and they will be doing some rituals and all. So this is kind of a celebration, kind of a engagement like that. Okay, but this person is very very quite defensive, and they have seen lot in this connection and in this world also. Maybe they have seen lot of things, lot of trauma or very bad things in their life, or they met some people who are not a very trustworthy people. So because of that, because of their past experiences, this person is very bitter I can say, very hard I can say. This person is not able to trust anybody so easily, and they are standing very strong. They are, but at the same time they are waiting for you also, because they are thinking that you might contact them. This communication card indicates both. They might be expecting the communication from you, because 9 of Wands is there. So that person is definitely waiting with the boundaries. Okay, even though if you both come together also, there will be some uh, what I can say, some agreements. Okay, some agreements will be there, some rules will be there, some boundaries will be there, because this person is not ready to completely offer you whatever you want. There will be some kind of a rule, some kind of conditions will be there in this connection. And with these conditions also, other people also are involved, their family, your family, or some elderly people, big people. Okay, they will be involved in this connection. It is also little bit complicated only. I can't see this very so easily, like okay, hi, I love you, come on, we'll get married. No, I can't see that kind of an easy going thing. And some of you, I can see this person may be already married and or a divorced person. And this person is very harsh, sometimes a little bit narcissistic also. kind of this person might be in a very high position, high cadre, and straightforward, very straightforward, very, they will be very rough, I can say. Everything they will take realistically, materialistically. They don't have any emotions. I can see lot of swords and wands. I can see only the lust and the rage I can see in this connection. Okay, so this person is not so sensitive like romantic. No, this person is very very rough, and they are very straightforward, very manly. They take the things in their own manner. They won't listen to you whatever you say, so they will do their own manner. So suppose if you are coming to Andhra Pradesh and all, they say Rayalaseema means it is very rowdy kind of a thing. So they are kind of very rough kind of a person. Their upbringing is like that, their mentality, their mind is tuned like that from their childhood, I can see. Okay, because the way they think itself, because lot of swords I can see here. So wands and swords. Wands is completely of passion and lust, and swords is kind of a fight. Okay, always they will be ready to fight. And also they have so many secrets. It might be family secrets also. So all of these things they have to come out. All of these obstacles you have to overcome. Then only you will be you will end up together. So which is also not so easy, but it can happen very fast. I am not saying for example, pile number 1, it is very very slow. Okay, in this pile things are very fast. Things will happen very fast, but it will be difficult for you to handle. That's all. Okay, so will you end up together? Yes, you will end up together, but there will be lot of fights, disagreements, and a lot of things you have to face. Okay, that's all I can see. Pile number 2. If you are happy with this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this purple seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see, will you end up together? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will you and your person end up together? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Will you and your person? Okay, I got the Chariot card. Let me pull more cards. Will you end up together? Spirits and angels, will you end up together? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Whoever chose this pile number 3, the purple seashell, will they end up together? Ace of Cups, 7 of Cups, King of Cups, 10 of Wands. Let me pull some more cards. Will you end up together? Will you end up together? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. So while shuffling the cards itself, I can know that this is very very positive energy, because pile number 1 and pile number 2 I was not able to shuffle also. That much difficult it was. Okay, but this pile I am able to shuffle so easily, so nicely. I can see very positive vibrations in this connection, in this spread. 7 of Moons, Ace of Cups again, Death. Bottom of the deck we have the Temperance. Okay, first of all let me tell you, and I am so happy that all the cards are water signs only. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is very very strong in this reading, and very few of you will have the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Scorpio is very prominent, Cancer is very prominent here, but very loving, caring, and emotional people you are. This connection is loving, caring connection, and I can also see Sagittarius. Okay, So this pile has a movement. Definitely you will be together because the ace of cups is twice it is there. So that means definitely you will have a new beginning in this connection. If at all you have any break, if at all you are not talking, not in communication, or broke up with each other, definitely there is a very emotional connection will start between you, because you both are very sensitive, very emotional. You are very vulnerable in this connection. You are trying to understand the other person. You know each other very well. For example, you won't say anything out loudly, but definitely the other person will understand your feelings. That kind of a connection it is. So you have very strong bonding with this person, very strong understanding between each other. But definitely they have you or the other person, you have this kind of a confusion. You are confused what to choose, whether you have to choose career, whether you have to choose money, whether you have to choose love or marriage. So your mind is scattered now. You are not very consistent in your thoughts right now. So that is the reason you are like you both need some time to sit and think what exactly you want in your life. Okay, because this 7 of cups is there. So you don't know what you want in your life. So you say, okay, this is looking very attractive, I'll go this side. So one day you want to become a pilot, and other day you want to become a software engineer. So your mind is scattered everywhere. Okay, but definitely you both have very deep connection, I can say. But some one of you in this connection, you or the other person, have lot of responsibilities on your shoulders, and that is the reason you are trying to walk away from this connection, because 10 of wands is there. 10 of wands is also kind of a completion card. So maybe you broke up because of this lot of responsibilities, or you both are already married, because king of cups is there. King of cups means it is a kind of a married person. So already maybe you are looking for your spouse, your wife, or a husband. So for some of you I'm saying, please take it, whatever messages I'm getting, I'm conveying to you. So please take it however it resonates with you. So that is the reason responsibilities are more. This person or you, both were feeling like this connection is draining you. These responsibilities are draining you. So that is the reason you thought to walk away, but you are not able to walk away. So 7 of cups is twice, then ace of cups is twice. So sorry, this is page of cups. Okay, sorry, I was mistaken. But page of cups is also kind of a same energy. This person definitely want to offer their cup of love to you. They want to come towards you. They want to take some action in this connection. And also, if they have already not proposed you, so now they want to take a step towards you. They want to express their feelings towards you. Definitely they feel that you are very far away from them emotionally. They're feeling that lack. Maybe earlier you both were very close to each other, but now they are feeling the difference and distance between you and the other person. And the chariot is there, so they are coming very fast towards you, and it might be a long distance relationship also. And they are very determined for this connection, about this connection. They want to make it happen. Okay, but they are confused what to do. So death card is there, that means death and rebirth. So this confusion and this insecurity should die, then the rebirth will happen again. Then the balance will come in this connection, because temperance is there. So maybe one person is giving more time in this connection, the other person has no time at all, because they are busy with their business or money or job, whatever it is. So they were busy, they couldn't give more into this connection. But one person was sincerely giving into this connection. They are because you both are very understanding. Okay, you both are emotional. So other person is calling you, not calling you for so many days also, you will understand, okay, they might be busy, So you both are very calm going, very quite understanding people, and you respect each other very much. I can see a lot of respect in this connection. You don't have any disagreements or nothing in this connection. Maybe if you both are separated also, this is because of some third person or some other family members, because maybe they are saying that no, no, you have to marry the person which we see, or they want you to do the arranged marriage. So that is the reason you have this kind of a small break in this connection. You both are not together. So for some of you, I can see it is already ended because of death, and 10 of wands is there. Some of you it is already ended, but still you are not able to move on. The other person is not able to move on. So you are seeing this reading. Okay. So definitely I can see you will end up together, and it will happen very fast because of the chariot card. Chariot card is very, very fast moving energy. So definitely it will come, and the balance will come in your life. Whatever the obstacles are there, slowly it will dissolve, and you both will be together and start a new beginning. Okay, because the ace of cups is there. So lot of trust is there between both of you, lot of understanding, commitment, everything is very, very nice in this reading. Okay, definitely you will end up together. So that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.